Hello guys, hello Africa, hello everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can download your NIU, or in Cameroon, your tax registration number. Now, the system has changed in such a way that if you had already created it, right? Like if you had already created your tax registration number and now you just want to go back and download it, it's going to tell you that hey, you can't do that anymore. Before it used to be free, but now you have to pay what we call the fiscal stamp, or the digital fiscal stamp. Okay, and it's quite confusing because when you go on this platform, what you're seeing here, that's the Direction Générale des Impôts. Most of the things here are in French, although you can change it to English, but most of the things are in French, especially when you log into the system. So it's quite confusing to do that. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually pay your digital fiscal stamp and download your taxpayer's card online. It's 1,000 francs actually. So let me show you what used to happen before, right? Like before, if you come to this page, the page you are seeing here, you would just have to click on vérifier un NIU, like, and then you put your NIU number, you click on search, and this comes, and then you just click on éditer l'attestation. This is it here. Then before, it will just come out here where you can download it. But look at the message we are having now. Cette fonctionnalité n'est plus disponible. It means that the functionality is no longer available. Okay. Bien vouloir accéder à la page de demande d'attestation et matriculation dans le bloc de menu demande de service. Now, what it simply says is that you have to log into your account to be able to request for this service. Okay.
Do you intend to travel to Cameroon for business, study, work, or tourism? Then contact Morse Travels and Tours. At Morse Travels and Tours, you can get quality assistance with your visa application process, work and residence permit processing, hotel reservation and airport pickup, car rental services, and many more. Call or WhatsApp Morse Travels and Tours on +237 696 856 540. Morse Travels and Tours, making your travel stress free.
It's kind of like new to this system because they want that every time that you have to pay, you have to download your taxpayer's card, you are supposed to pay the government 1,000 francs for fiscal stamp. I mean, that makes sense for the government, right? Because they will keep making money out of this, like every time you want to download it. So it used to be free, but now it's paid. So now let's quickly log into the system, and I'll show you how to do this. Okay. My internet is kind of like slow, but that's it. Now, when you log into the system, this is what you have. I'll do this so that you can see. Or what have I done here? Okay. Now, I'll do this so that you can see what I'm doing. So now, when you log into the system, this is what you have. So right from your login page, or I can say your home page, you can just come to éditer l'attestation d'immatriculation. That's it here. Okay. Now you just need to click on that. Now, while that is like working, guys, I want to I mean, the internet is slow. Now I want to just show you my book. This is it right here. The Ohada Accounting, Building Statistics and Tax Returns. Guys, this book is available if you're in Cameroon. You can place your order, and I'm going to have this emailed to you anywhere you are in Cameroon. Hey, it's not really trying. Like, why am I not having it showing? All right, this is it here. Ohada Accounting, Building Statistics and Tax Returns from Scratch. This is my book I wrote a couple of years ago, and believe me, you can purchase this book right now. It's still available. I'm working on the second edition of this book, probably to be out by the end of this year. But this one is the foundation, and it is really, really relevant, guys. So place your order. Contact the numbers on the screen. WhatsApp me right now and place your order for this book. If you are a student, an accountant, a business person, you need a copy of this book. Okay, you need a copy of this. So do that right now. Now let's go back to our video. If you can see here, you're going to see, for me, I'd already paid, so that's why my own is just coming. But if you had logged in into your own, this is the page you're going to see. Now you will see that a date demande, numéro de demande. So this numéro de demande, you cannot fill it. The system is the one to do it for you automatically, and it's very important. So now when you come to objet attestation d'immatriculation, you can take autre procedure. That's just what you need to take, and then you click on enregistrer. Normally, I don't want to register this for my own because I already did that. Because if I register it right now, it will ask me to. The system is going to ask me to make the payment. Okay, so I'll just annul that. But now this is what happens when you take enregistrer. It's going to generate a numéro demande. This is it here. This number is very important. So it's going to generate a specific number for that request. And then what you just need to do is copy this number. And then now you come to déclaration right here. As you can see here, déclaration, you click on that. And then you come to timbre fiscal et redevance. Click on this, okay? Now this is what happens. It's still wasting time. It's still taking some time. Okay. Now, when you come here, you now come to fiche, like the form. Okay, now you're going to see the creation. This is the creation of your, in this case, you want to declare your fiscal stamp so that you can make payments for that particular numéro de demande that you had created. Like, so here, they'll ask numéro déclaration. So you put that number here, as simple as that. And then now they'll say destination. You put demande de service DGE, because you're actually asking for a service from the Directorate General of Taxes. You understand? So put the demande de service DGE here, and you see what's going to happen. Automatically, the value is going to come here, which is 1,000 francs CFA. And for quantity, in this case, you just want to pay for one fiscal stamp. So you just put one here. And then you take enregistrer, like you register the request. Now I don't want to register it right now because, as I said, it's going to now go into my my account and I'll be asked to pay. Since this is a demonstration purpose, when you do this, you just click on enregistrer, like you register the demand, like you register this amount. And when you do that, you now have to go to your Orange mobile money and do the payment. Okay, so when you do this, it's going to generate a number, a payment number, which you now take to your Orange money and do the payment. Now this is what happens. So when you do this now, you see that there's a numéro de déclaration that is going to come here. Numéro de déclaration, as you can see here. So you now copy this number and take it to your Orange money. And then when you do the payment, you're going to see montant à payer, montant payé. You understand? So in this my case, I'd already paid this amount. That's why you can see here 1,000 francs montant à payer, then 1,000 francs montant payé. But in your case, when you do the instrument, you're going to have montant à payer, and then there will be zero here under montant payé. Like the amount that you have paid will be zero. So when you do the payments and then you come back here, it's going to reflect. So you have to be patient because the system at times takes like a day to get actualized. Okay, like like it's in the night that they actually push the data from Orange Money to this tax system. So you might have to wait like for 24 hours before it gets actualized in your account. Now, when that happens, you just have to go back to your home page. Like when you are sure that the amount has been paid, you go back to your home page and then you take éditer l'attestation d'immatriculation, and then that's it. You'll be able now to download your taxpayers registration card, like this one here. And remember, this is mostly asked anywhere that you are now in Cameroon. It's just like your social security number, okay, in Cameroon. So if you want to open a bank account, you want to pay your utility bills, you want just whatever you want to do, they'll ask you for this particular document. So guys, that's how you can download your NIU if you had created it already and you're unable to download. Now, if you're finding any difficulties doing this, hey, please contact me, okay, and I'll be able to help you download that. Of course, I'll ask you some, some fees for, for consultancy, right? I mean, that's what I'm here for, right? So, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it was kind of like valuable, give me thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family so that they can also learn about this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't go away.
Do you intend to travel to Cameroon for business, study, work, or tourism? Then contact Moss Travels and Tours. At Moss Travels and Tours, you can get quality assistance with your visa application process, work and residence permit processing, hotel reservation and airport pickup, car rental services, and many more. Call or WhatsApp Moss Travels and Tours on +237 696 856 540. Moss Travels and Tours, making your travel stress free.